Okie fifth graders. This text is called Wind Farms, Not in My Town. Like I said in the last lesson, this is connected to the last text. It's the other side of the issue. The last person supported wind farms or wind power. This person does not and gives their reasons why. So again, it is a persuading text trying to convince the reader to believe something, to agree with them. And they again follow this Oreo layout. They give their opinion, they give some reasons, they explain those reasons, and then they follow up with their opinion again. Okay? While you read, you're going to do something you did last week. You're going to write some of your own thoughts in the margins. Write if you agree. Write if you disagree. Do you think something is interesting? Can you make a connection? Do you have a question? Any sort of response is fine, but it engages your brain and it helps you to understand what you are reading better. Instead of just reading the words, you are actually trying to understand them and make some sort of connection. Even if it's something like, I don't agree with this reason, okay? That's fine. Disagreeing isn't bad. It's still helping you to think about what you are reading. All right, you don't have to underline the reasons this time, but do note, again, okay, here's her first reason. I guess she states her opinion in that first paragraph. Then she gives a reason. Okay, she forgets that tourism is a big part of that economy. Tourists come from all over for our peaceful scenery, and wind turbines are ugly and noisy. Okay, so that's her first reason, is it's not good for tourism. Okay, this is another reason that she gives. It has to do with birds, and she even gives some facts in there that some birds are killed by wind turbines each year. So that's, again, supporting her side of the argument. Both have facts to support them. So as your response to this text, you need to think about both of them. Imagine you lived in West Hillbury and tell me, would you support building those wind farms? Would you support building the wind turbines that give clean energy that doesn't pollute our earth, but does have some downsides? Okay? So you're saying yes or no, would you support it? And you are giving 2 details to support your answer. They can be details from the text. Like, no, I don't support it because it kills birds and is noisy. Okay, there's 2 reasons. Or, yes, I support it because it cuts down on pollution and it helps create jobs. Okay? Use the reasons that are given in the text. You don't have to make up your own, but say which side you agree with. And if you really can't decide, say you're not sure. And again, give reasons why you are not sure. All right? Any questions, let me know, but I do expect to see reasons written in the margin, at least 3. At least 3. And then, and then you are telling me whether you would support it or not with reasons to support your answer. Good luck.